Have you ever feel like your finances are stuck in a rut? Like there's a mysterious blockage preventing abundance from flowing freely? Well, some believe the answer might lie right under your nose, or rather, in your home. Today, we'll explore the fascinating concept of clutter clearing for wealth, and how removing specific objects before May 5th could be the key to unlocking financial prosperity. But before we delve into this intriguing idea, let's talk about Dolores Cannon, the renowned past life regression therapist. While Dolores didn't directly focus on decluttering for money, her work on past lives sheds light on how our physical environment might mirror our subconscious thoughts and beliefs. Could a cluttered home be reflecting a subconscious resistance to abundance? The idea behind decluttering for wealth is simple. By removing physical clutter from your home, you're creating space, both literally and metaphorically, for financial abundance to flow in. This approach is rooted in the principles of feng shui, an ancient Chinese practice that emphasizes the importance of creating harmonious energy flow in your living space. Now, the specific items you should remove before May 5th vary depending on the source. Here are some commonly mentioned objects. Broken or damaged items. Holding on to broken things symbolizes a subconscious resistance to letting go and embracing new beginnings. Repair broken items if possible, or discard them with gratitude for their past service. Wilted or dying plants. Plants represent growth and vitality. Wilted or dying plants can symbolize stagnant energy in your financial sector. Replace them with healthy, thriving plants to cultivate a sense of abundance. Expired products. Expired food, makeup, or medications represent missed opportunities and stagnant energy. Get rid of them to make way for fresh starts and new possibilities. Clothing you don't wear. Clothes you no longer wear represent clinging to the past. Donate or sell them to create space for new opportunities, including financial ones. Unnecessary paperwork. Unpaid bills, old receipts, and unwanted documents create a cluttered energy that can hinder financial clarity. Organize, recycle, or shred what you don't need. It's important to remember that these are just suggestions. The key lies in decluttering with intention. As you remove each item, visualize yourself releasing any negative energy or limiting beliefs associated with wealth. Dolores Cannon, through her work with past lives, revealed how deeply ingrained beliefs can impact our present experiences. By clearing your home of clutter, you might be subconsciously clearing away limiting beliefs that were holding you back financially. But is there any scientific evidence for this? The short answer is no. There's no scientific proof that decluttering directly leads to increased wealth. However, the psychological benefits of decluttering are well documented. A clutter-free space can lead to reduced stress. Less clutter equals less mental strain, allowing you to focus on your financial goals with a clearer mind. Increased productivity. A clutter-free environment can help you stay organized and tackle financial tasks with greater efficiency, improved sense of well-being. Living in a clean, organized space can boost your overall sense of well-being, which can indirectly impact your financial outlook. While the May 5th deadline might add a touch of intrigue, it's not a rigid rule. Decluttering for wealth is an ongoing process. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Focus on abundance, not lack. While decluttering, don't focus on what you're getting rid of, focus on the space you're creating for abundance to flow in. Declutter regularly. Make decluttering a regular habit. Schedule a cleaning day or dedicate a few minutes each day to tidying up. Bless your space. After decluttering, cleanse your space with sage or lavender to clear any stagnant energy and invite fresh, abundant energy to flow in. Dolores Cannon, though not directly connected to decluttering, explored the concept of the law of attraction, the idea that our thoughts and beliefs create our reality. By decluttering and focusing on abundance, you might be subconsciously sending a powerful message to the universe, attracting greater financial prosperity into. Decluttering your physical space is a great first step, but true financial abundance often requires a shift in mindset. Here are some additional practices to cultivate a wealthier you. Gratitude practice. Expressing gratitude for the financial blessings you already have can open you up to receiving more. Keep a gratitude journal or simply take a few moments each day to appreciate your current abundance. Financial goals and planning. Create clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or simply building an emergency fund. Having a plan allows you to make focused decisions and track your progress. Investing in yourself. Investing in your education, skills, or experiences can increase your earning potential and open doors to new financial opportunities. Dolores Cannon's work on past lives suggests that some of our financial struggles might have roots in past life experiences. While past life regression isn't for everyone, exploring limiting beliefs and patterns around money can be incredibly valuable. Consider journaling prompts or meditations that help you identify and release any subconscious blocks related to abundance. Let's delve into a couple of real-life stories to illustrate the power of decluttering for wealth, with a dash of personal transformation. The overwhelmed entrepreneur. Sarah, a busy entrepreneur, was drowning in physical and financial clutter. By decluttering her workspace and focusing on gratitude for her current income, she not only gained clarity and productivity but also attracted new clients, leading to a significant increase in revenue. The skeptical saver. David, a self-proclaimed skeptic, decided to approach decluttering with an open mind. While he wasn't sure about the wealth magic aspect, he found the process surprisingly therapeutic. The newfound peace and clarity in his living space translated into better budgeting habits and a newfound confidence about saving for his future. These are just a couple of examples, and your results might vary. The key takeaway is to approach decluttering for wealth with an open mind and a willingness to take action. Dolores Cannon, though not directly talking about decluttering, reminds us of the power of belief. By decluttering your home and cultivating a wealth mindset, you're sending a powerful message to yourself and the universe about your desire for abundance. Whether you believe in the power of decluttering by May 5th or not, remember that you have the power to attract abundance into your life. By decluttering your physical space, cultivating a wealth mindset, and focusing on gratitude, you can create a foundation for financial prosperity. Dolores Cannon's work, even without mentioning decluttering, reminds us of the vast potential we hold within. So, take charge, declutter with intention, and embrace the abundance that awaits. Do you have any tips for decluttering for wealth? What are your thoughts on the May 5th deadline? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more explorations of practical strategies for wealth creation, the power of the subconscious mind, and the wisdom of Dolores Cannon. And don't forget to check out the resources listed in the description below for further exploration of decluttering for wealth, past life regression, and the work of Dolores Cannon. Until next time, take care, embrace the possibilities that lie ahead, and remember, the power to create a life of abundance lies within you.